Road trip in Dinagat Province. Did you know that the province is known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush forests? It is a popular destination for tourists who are looking for a quiet and relaxing getaway. Some of the popular attractions in Dinagat Islands include Blue Lagoon, or also known as Tidal Pool, Bonsai Forest, Tagbarayan Golden Sand Beach, Islander Castle, and the Lake Babaville. Dinagat Islands was formerly a part of the province of Surigao del Norte but became a separate province in 2006 under Republic Act No. 9355, and its capital is the municipality of San Jose.